going to demonstrate you an activity which is based on training and learning principles. I will be teaching you how to make paper plane. I will be guiding you each and every step how to make paper plane. Once the demonstration ends, each participant will be asked to fly their planes to see which participant maximum learn from their training. So let's start the demonstration first. Step 1. Fold in half lengthwise and then unfold. Step 2. Fold the top corners in so they meet at the center crease. Step 3. Fold the entire top down so that it resembles an envelope. Step 4. Fold the top corners in so they meet at the middle. Step 5. Fold that small triangle up to hold those previous folds in place. Step 6. Fold in half, but make sure you fold it outwards on itself, not inwards. Step 7. Fold the wing down so its edge meets the bottom edge of the airplane. Step 8. This is the last step, the finish harrier. Now I will make the paper plane in front of you. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask me at the end of this session. Now you can start. Let's go outside.
I was observing the whole activity. All of the participants have performed really well in the activity, and the demonstrator has done an excellent job in conducting the overall session. Almost all the learning principles were being followed. That included readiness, exercise, effect, privacy, recency, intensity, and freedom. However, one of the issues I found in one of the participants is the lack of principle of learning that was being followed in the overall training session. He lagged in exercise because he could not recall or review. That is why he could not perform well. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to our channel.